Dear all, welcome to the playlist of Power Electronics. In this video, I will be discussing the construction and working of insulated gate bipolar transistor. Let's understand what do you mean by IGBT or insulated gate bipolar transistor. So, IGBT, the full form is already given. It is a semiconductor device. It is having three terminals. The main peculiarity of IGBT is it shows fast switching and high efficiency. The major applications of IGBTs are then lamp ballast, electric cars, VFD. VFD is also known as variable frequency drive. So suitable for speed control of induction motor. So these are the various applications, and also it is used in power electronic controllers. And the speciality of IGBT, it's a fusion of both MOSFET and BJT. MOSFET is nothing but metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor, and BJT. MOSFET is a voltage control device and BJT is a current control device, and it's a fusion of both the devices, so it shows high current and low saturation voltage capacity. Okay, it's a hybrid device. It's a control device. A gate is a control terminal, and also it shows the capacitance at the gate side. The symbol is closely similar to BJT. You can able to observe the symbol of IGBT. So as I already told you that there will be always a capacitance at the gate terminal. Okay, and the gate, you can see control terminal, we are having the collector and the emitter. So this is actually the view where you can able to see the practical things of practical diagram of IGBT. This is the way how IGBT look like. Okay, IGBT, we can call it as a fusion between BJT and MOSFET, as I already discussed. This is one of the most important speciality. There will be always a gate capacitance which is present in the IGBT, and also it shows high power gain. Another features is high power gain, and it has high input impedance like power MOSFET. That is one of the advantage. Definitely it provides an isolation between input and output, and also it has low on-state power loss like power BJT. Therefore switching losses will be very much less. So because of these features, IGBT is quite familiar and quite popular also. Next, I would like to show you the equivalent circuit diagram, equivalent circuit of IGBT. As I already told you that it's a combination of power MOSFET and power BJT. You can see this is an N-channel MOSFET, and this is a PNP power transistor. Okay, so by converting in a simplified diagram, you will be able to get, we can have the gate terminal. Okay, so gate terminal, that is from MOSFET, and this collector and emitter terminal, that is derived from power MOSFET. Okay, so this is an equivalent circuit diagram of IGBT. It is very clear that it's a fusion of MOSFET and power BJT. When it comes to the structure of IGBT, we are having the three terminals. One is gate terminal, another one is collector terminal, and emitter terminal. So these are the major three terminals. And next I would like to show you the major junctions. We can see J1, junction 1, and this is junction 2 and junction 3. These are the three junctions. And the body layer which is associated with the junction 1, and the injecting layer is associated with the junction 3. And one more thing I would like to tell you, the injecting layer is also known as P plus layer, and body layer is known as P layer, and N minus layer is known as drift layer. The speciality of drift layer is it increases the voltage and current handling capability, and in between drift layer and injecting layer you can able to see a buffer layer. Why buffer layer is required? See, there are two type of IGBT based on the buffer layer. Few IGBT doesn't have buffer layer. Such type of IGBTs are known as non-punch through IGBT. Many of the IGBTs are having buffer layer, so we call it as punch through IGBT. So that's a speciality of buffer layer. So this is the basic construction details of IGBT. And also one of the speciality I wanted to tell you that there will be always a silicon dioxide layer here in between these two points, like gate. You can see the gate terminal. See, this is a gate terminal, and this will be the first part. That means the first point of the junction. Okay, here you can able to see there are two metal pieces. There are two metal pieces. In between there is a silicon dioxide. Okay, SiO2, silicon dioxide. Silicon dioxide act as a dielectric material between these two metals, metal 1 and metal 2, like this. This is metal 1 and this is a next part of the metal. So silicon dioxide is kept between two metals, therefore there is a capacitance always present inside the IGBT, especially at the gate terminal. That is why it is known as insulated gate bipolar junction transistor, IGBT. So I have written the details about the IGBT, especially the construction details. You can have an observation on the construction details. See how I have written. So what is P plus layer, what is N minus layer, and major junctions I have mentioned. So you can able to go through the construction details of IGBT by looking at the diagram. It is very easy. Whenever in the examination you can draw the diagram and explain very easy manner. Next I would like to discuss about the working of power IGBT. As you can see, there are three major junctions: junction 1, junction 2 and junction 3. First and the foremost, the gate voltage, or you can call VG, or you can write it as VGE. Okay, VG or VGE. So first of all you have to see the main structure. Here you can able to see VG or VGE. VG, or you can write VGE. That should be positive always. This should be positive. First condition, please note down. And also the second condition is collector to emitter voltage, VCE. That is also should be positive. That means collector should be positive with respect to emitter. Collector terminal should be positive with respect to emitter. Emitter should, so therefore emitter must be negative. Okay. This is the first condition you have to note down. Negative. Okay. So initially we are not providing any gate voltage. So as I told you that collector is positive with respect to emitter. So at that particular condition, we can say that junction 1, J1 become forward biased. J1 is forward biased. Okay, J1 is forward biased. But junction J2, see, let me write J2. J2 is reverse biased. Okay. Will the device conduct? Let me write REV. Okay, reverse bias condition. Will the device conduct initially? No, device will not be conducting. Now what you are supposed to do? You need to increase the VG. So let me increase the value of VG. VG is known as gate voltage. VG or VG, you can call it as VG. Okay, I have to increase the VG. So at that time what is going to happen? See, as I increase the VG, see, the charges will be developed over here because SiO2 is a dielectric material. In the upper layer you can see the negative charges, in the bottom layer you can see the positive charges, because it's a property of capacitance. And because of this, slowly a negative layer will be developed over here. You can able to observe very clearly. See, the electrons are developed over there. Okay, slowly electrons are developed over there. Correct? Yeah. Now, because of this fact, the current flow will be starting from the material P substrate to the negative part. Okay, you know that current will be always passing from positive to negative part. So there will be a conduction. So a collector current will be flowing from bottom part to top part. IC will be starting. As I increase VGE, the IC will be started flowing through the particular circuit. Okay, so this is the basic working of IGBT. Okay, so we have to consider the property of capacitance. At the gate terminal there will be capacitance. So I have written the working very clearly. Please go through that. So you will be understanding, initially we are not applying any gate voltage. Later we will be applying gate voltage. As the gate voltage providing, as we increase the gate voltage, obviously the negative layer will be developed over there. Because of that, current will be starting from P plus to this particular layer. So I have referred the textbook of Power Electronics by Mohammad H. Rashid. Thank you for listening this video.